If I said that right and all goes well, it'll just be magic. Alright, here we go. Oh, hell yeah. In a perfect spiral. Alright, hell yeah. This is engineering. We got a piece of chalk, and what happens when we twist the chalk, I'm going to twist this way and then twist this way, and we're going to get a spiral fracture. And let's see if I can explain this in 2 seconds, you know what I mean? So when we twist it, the only thing that can prevent the twisting is like the surface of this. The second you actually get to the center, well, there's nothing to actually, it's like a string, you know, it'd be like a rope in the middle. It can't take any of that twist or tension. So anyway, the outer, if this was a rope, it would be the outer sheath that gets all bunched up. And imagine it is a rope, and we're going to cut a little square. That's what engineers do. And if we go to twist it, that square is, this side of the square is going to go up, that side of the square is going to go down. And if you can actually imagine, that square is going to turn into kind of like a diamond shape, you know what I mean? And then so the corners of the square might have been here, but now they're up here. And then this longest part from there to there got lengthened. And what we have here is a brittle material. This only works with brittle materials because brittle materials, heck yeah, concrete, like a concrete column, they can take a lot of downward force. 6,000 psi, you know what I mean, in compression, but maybe, you know, as low as 200 pounds, you know what I mean, in tension, you know, way less. And sometimes maybe a little bit more, but sometimes, you know, hella less. Anyway, so brittle materials can't take tension, so when we get that diamond shape to form, the length between there and there, you just can't lengthen those molecules. So what happens is that little bit along that 45 this way, starts to tear because it can't lengthen, and it's going to tear right in the middle. The second it does that, it's going to set off a chain reaction that is going to, so even though it lengthened this way, the tear is going to happen in the middle, and it's going to set off a chain reaction, so we're going to see a spiral that goes this direction. Now, if I said that right and all goes well, it'll just be magic. Alright, here we go. Oh, hell yeah. In a perfect spiral, we're going to get this into the camera. And let's get 1 million views on this, you know what I mean? You'll learn something, you know what I mean, from, you know, just pocketbook science, pocketbook physics. Hell yeah, perfect spiral. And Winco. This video is sponsored by Winco because I got this chalk at Winco. It was $1.48. I don't know how they come up with their prices, but they're super low. And I got 15 pieces. Yeah, 3 rows of 5 if you do the math, and I can do this 14 more times, and I think I'm gonna. Alright, thanks for joining me, and that's a video.